Now the concept is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Listen, as like solids and liquids, gases also exert pressure. Yes or no? How to know gases exert pressure? Very simple experiment. Take a balloon, blow air inside it, and it expands. This shows that atmosphere also exerts pressure. Clear? Gases also exerts pressure. This is called a gas pressure, or and our atmosphere is filled of gases. Yes or no? So the pressure exerted by the atmospheric gases is called as atmospheric pressure. Write down the definition. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric gases of the earth or atmosphere of the earth. Atmosphere gases on the earth's surface is called as the atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the gases of atmosphere of earth on the earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure. Clear? That's all. Atmospheric pressure is the nothing but the gaseous pressure. The gases also exert pressure in all directions. So so like that. Our atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere is filled with so many gases, different gases. So they also exert pressure on the surface of the Earth, and that is called as atmospheric pressure. The normal atmospheric pressure at sea level. The normal atmospheric pressure at sea level at a particular temperature 20 degrees Celsius is 7, sea level at 0 degrees Celsius is 760 mm of Hg or 76 cm of Hg, or that is called as 1 atm. 1 atm means atmospheric pressure. Okay, are you getting me? Okay, 1 atm, it is also called as Pascal. Standard unit is SI unit is Pascal. So 1 atm, 1 atmosphere pressure is equal to 101,325 Pascal. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear? Generally, we approximately we say that 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Are you clear? Approximately, we call it 10 to the power 5 Pascals. Now, some applications, some effects of atmospheric pressure. Before going to that, let us discuss about the device used to measure the pressure, atmospheric pressure. Device. Shall I raise? Device. Device name is barometer. Okay, barometer. Barometer is the instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure. It was invented by Italian physicist called Torricelli. Torricelli. Listen, later it was modified into in a simplest way, but Actually it was prepared like this. Take a container, glass container, it was filled with mercury. Okay, and 1 meter tube, 1 meter glass tube is filled with all filled with mercury only. Now what happened? With by closing the tube by thumb, invertedly placed the tube here inside the container. So what will happen? Now the liquid level, the mercury level will fall and settle at the certain point. That is standard one, 0 degrees Celsius at sea level. That is 76 cm of Hg. What happened? Now you will observe that suppose this is normal 76. Here is a scale is fixed side, which will be C from the sea. What this water 76 cm. Now what will happen? Suppose pressure increases here. What will happen? This liquid will be pushed down. It will push here. So here it will show that the atmosphere pressure is increased. Pressure decreases. This will come this side. This liquid will flow down. Liquid pressure. This mercury will come down. So this way we can know the pressure. The same thing is done by fixing and the same mercury and fixing by U-tube. Okay, U-tube means not your YouTube channel. U-shaped tube. Okay, here you can see this is the U-tube fixed. This is the barometer. Here the scale is fixed. Okay, as the pressure increases, the barometer will show you the. Okay, so when the barometer is listen, this is what. By this one is not easy to take because generally atmosphere pressure is need to measure at a higher level. Normal sea level means at ground it is very clear that it is very close to 76 cm or near to it, nearby it. But when you see drivers, sorry, I am talking about sea drivers, mountain climbers, they need to know that pressure at the high level so that accordingly they will take the precautions. So that case that it is very difficult to carry this one because this is made of glass. This is open and this is not easy to carry to the higher altitude. That's why what happened, they prepared another one. When the barometer is taken up the mountains, lower atmosphere pressure exerts less pressure, mercury that then up. Okay, let's say. So in home for the purpose of aircrafts or mountains, they prepared Android barometer. Android barometer in which there is no liquid. It measures because by there is a container. That is explanation is not there in our course, but I am not going to explain. There will be a container which is filled by vacuum. Nothing is the vacuum. A rubber tube will be there, vacuum. So as pressure increases, that will act. But that is not there in the syllabus. Don't worry. So Android barometer is used for which do not contain any liquid inside that. It is vacuum. Any liquid, any gas also not. That is vacuum. A rubber ball will be there. Clear? So this is all about and okay. As pressure increases, the mercury level increases. As pressure decreases, the mercury level decreases. From that, we can measure the atmosphere pressure. Are you clear? Now some applications of this atmosphere pressure.